Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, welcome to the family. Okay, subscribe, like, and also leave a comment at the end of this video. Today we're going to be talking about online marketing, how to market your products online. Okay, let's say for example you are a photographer, you're a braider, you are a fashion designer, you are like all these beautiful skills that you know that people will actually want. That means you have a potential to show your product and services online so people can actually reach you. So today I'm not going to waste so much of the time. Let's get into right how you can do that. Okay, talk about what's internet marketing. Okay, internet marketing is basically any effort that you put out online for people to see. Maybe it's a written one, maybe you acted it, just for put it out there so people will see what you are promoting, what you're promoting, what you're doing. That's basically it, what product and services. And on the internet there, they also have some tools that they have already made available for us to use to be able to promote our products, to make leads and to make sales, and to also drive traffic to our site. Okay, so the first one is social media marketing. Okay, we all know that, we all know this one, but let me just throw a little light on it. Social media marketing is also the same. When you put out any content out there and for people to see, it's another good way to promote your products and services organically online. Let's take for example Facebook is the biggest online marketing platform, because we have seen tons of people making adverts. You can just, the only thing you need to do is just to open your Facebook page, put all your contact, the products and services, or anything you want people to reach you for. Anything you have to do, whatever business you're doing for people to reach you for, put out all your contacts there. People are going to call you. Or also you can also go for adverts, sponsored ad. We have also said that one. That's another way you can promote your products and services online. So but we have other platforms, social media platforms, which are the Pinterest, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. These are the most popular ones. Okay, you can actually have your pages there. You can have how people can reach to you on these platforms. But I would advise you to just look for the best two social media platform where people can actually reach you from, like the way your targeted audience are most active. They can reach you from it, because you cannot attend to everybody on this platform. So the best thing is to look for two where your targeted audience will reach you, and that's it, so you don't so much stress yourself. So the second one is coming up. So the second one is search engine marketing. Okay, this one is of two types. They have search engine optimization and also paid search. Search engine optimization basically means when you choose the right keyword, okay, wherever you choose to advertise wherever you choose to advertise your product. Let's take for example this YouTube now. This is my product I'm giving out. So when I choose the right word for this particular video, people will be able to search. Whenever they search something about internet marketing, they are going to find me there. If they want to search me on online marketing, people are going to find me there. So the key thing here is for you to find the right keywords so that Google will rank you high, okay, so that people will be able to search for you and get it on the platform. So the next one is a paid search advert. So this one basically, just when you pay Google, they are going to rank you high. It's just like you're paying Google to advertise your product for you. You can just go to AdSense. There's they have a provision for that. If you want to advertise your product and their services, or maybe you're promoting a brand, if you go on Google, there's where you can actually promote your products and services there. So this means that whatever people actually look for your products and services, also they're going to find it, because you've already paid Google to do the work for you, instead of getting the right, if you are not able to get the right keywords. Or maybe let's say for example I put out this video and I see that it's not getting enough views, what I'm going to do is just to, if I have the ability, I pay Google for them to put me on the top rank so that people will find me whenever they search for any keyword that I'm going to put in this video. I don't know. I don't know. Do you get it? Do you get it? I believe you do. So let's go to the third one, which is content marketing. We know this one pretty well, like so much. Let's take for, we are using Instagram, even Facebook as well. Content marketing. Let's say you're marketing a particular product and you come and talk about this product so well. People look at you like, oh yeah, she knows what she's talking about. He knows what he's talking about. Let's check his page out. Let's check her page out. They'll go and look at your page. They'll be like, okay, this is good, this is good. Okay, the next thing, they will start looking for a way to write you. Even if the person is not even looking to buy that product, the person might, because of the way you've already talked about this particular product, they might decide to buy. Even if the person doesn't buy at that time, the person might be like, okay, I have this person in mind. They already have you in mind. Whenever they need your products and services or need you for branding, they are going to reach out for you because of the way you presented their products. Okay, this is content marketing. When you do it so well, people will believe in you. People will know that you know what you're talking about. People will know that you have already tested and trust this product. They are going to come for you to get what you have. Anyway guys, if you're getting value out of this my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let me just say this. Okay, I'm supposed to say this in the middle of the video, but let me just say it here. I'm still going to say at the end of the video, I'm not an expert. Things I come and say here, things I research, things I want to use for myself, I research on it and I'll come here and tell you guys. Okay, my channel is not entertainment. We come here and share this little knowledge that people supposed to know, but due to ignorance, or maybe because you don't do an in-depth research, you might not know. So that's why I do the research for you and come here and tell you in the nutshell, like the smallest way possible for you to understand it. Okay, so we are all learning. I am learning. We're all learning. So if you have any other idea on how to boost your traffic and how to make more sales, please leave it in the comments. I would like to know, because I mean, why not? So let's go to the fourth one, the one they call pay-per-click marketing. Okay, this one is basically when you are advertising your product online, Google charge you based on how many people who click. Okay, let's take for example, you're on a website, maybe you're looking for something, and you'll be seeing all these flashy adverts coming up. I'm sure you guys have seen it somewhere. So once you click on any of the stuff there, like any of those adverts, it could be music, it could be news, it could be entertainment, like immediately you click, Google is going to charge whoever that have run that ad. You get it? So that's the pay-per-click. So that one is another way to drive traffic, because that means you did that advert is what you did with Google. It's you and Google's business because you are in Google. Do you understand, guys? So anytime you click on the advert, they are going to charge you. I don't know how they do the charging, but I think it goes by month or weeks. I don't know. So that's what basically pay-per-click means. So the fifth one is online networking. This online networking basically means, like, this one is human to human now. We are not talking about you showing yourself or maybe trying to talk about a product. This is human to human. If you're in a forum where you have possibly is a group, visual group, right? So you tell people what you do, they connect with you. In that group, you might find someone who needs your product and services. You might also find someone who can refer you to someone. Okay, because actually this internet, if you're looking for your first customer base, people you will first meet are the people that maybe you've already rendered your services to them, so they are talking well about you. this is the first place you can actually get customers before you can now start going for online. Online is the second, which is the easiest and the fastest. Okay, so the forum, now you can meet an expert or someone who wants to collaborate with you. You guys can do things together and make the business boom. Or maybe someone can refer you to someone, someone can refer you to someone. The way I'm telling you now, to refer me to your people, your friends, share my videos so that I can also boom. It makes sense. So that's the online networking. So the last but not the least is, you guessed it, email marketing. You know, when I don't know about this email marketing, I used to be like, how do people even get my email? How would they even get my email? But you wouldn't know. Anytime you log in online, maybe you're looking for a particular thing. Guys, I was just shooting this video and somehow the video disappeared, and I was so scared that I have been talking for, in fact, I'm doing this video for the second time. I'm going to check which one is the best to, you know, choose. The first one is about 27 minutes. The second one is about 12 minutes. And somehow my screen dimmed. I'm like, does it mean that I have not been recording? I was so scared, but luckily we are lucky that we're recording. Okay, the last one is email marketing. So when you go to, maybe you're looking for something online, right? The next thing you say is email will just pop up, right? It's like on the screen, right? They'll be asking for your email. The next thing, you put in your email. Your email is there. So anytime they have anything going on in their, like, automatically be getting email about if they are selling something to you, when they are doing 50% off, their updates, everything you need to know about them. That's what you be. I have tons in my email. So maybe you're not looking to buy, you're not looking to purchase. Maybe one day be like, yeah, something like this happens at a certain time. Let me check out their, you know, their website through their email. Like that, they have gotten you. That's the thing. So sometimes if you want to actually make that automatic, when you collect, if so many people visited your site, that means you collected enough email listing. You can just, they use email champ. I don't know if that, if I remember the main email listing that they use. I'm going to leave it here so that anybody who wants to know will know. Like the email is already customized. You set the date on that day, on the date, on the time, and everything you want it to go. Film is to enter everybody's email address. So that's another way you can market your product online. Okay, so guys, I have come to the end of this video. Please, if you watched to this minute, I owe you one. Okay, I love you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, share my video, leave a comment. Let's discuss. I want this video, I want my channel to be an interactive one. I shouldn't be the only one talking here. I need to hear your own too. I need to hear your view. I need to learn from you. You guys shouldn't mind me, but I'm serious about it. I need to learn from you. I shouldn't be the only one talking all the time. You guys should talk too. Oh yeah, go and like it now. Like there's a like here, like it. There's a subscribe here, subscribe. There is also description box down there, so leave your idea there so I can also read you. Tell me what you want to see next, and I'll catch you later.